Hello my friends who enjoy our channel The Wild Kingdom America. Thank you very much for watching our channel. If you are not already written to write, and click on the bell to be the first to receive our videos. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment. In this video I want to show the mysteries of our Amazon jungle from the inside, and the night. The Amazon jungle doesn't sleep, but the night is when the biggest frenzy of all kinds of events takes place. Because that's when all the predators are on the prowl, because that's also the time when most forest dwellers come out to feed. So let's go! I want to start by showing my beautiful encounter with this anteater, the Mandira. This is not an aggressive animal, but to defend itself it attacks, especially if it has a puppy. Apparently this one is pregnant. If she was with a puppy he would be on top of her. When he opens his arms he's saying, "Don't come, I'm very angry." He does exactly that when he's being threatened by a jaguar.
Opa, resolveu sair.
This other one is the giant anteater. It's 5 times the size of the other one. This one doesn't even face the jaguar. When the jaguar approaches him, he covers himself with his tail, and she doesn't know where her head is, so she hardly attacks such an animal. It's a nocturnal bird. It's a species of owl, the popular morning I go. That's what its song says. And this is the saru, also known as possum in Mukura. This animal is a predator. It eats everything: birds, eggs, fruits, and even dead animals. This other one is known here as Mukuri. It is also a possum, but of a smaller species. This is the giant armadillo. This animal can weigh up to 60 kilos. It is the largest armadillo in the Amazon. Look! The biggest armadillo in the world. It can measure up to 1.5 meters and weigh up to 60 kilos. This is the tattoo canasta. It's very rare to see one of these. The weapons of this animal are its nails. With these huge nails they dig huge holes that serve as abode for themselves as well as for the pigs wild. This is a mouse, the Taboka mouse. When it comes to a mouse it is huge. As you can see it has no tail. This mouse is the owner of this beautiful nocturnal song. without a firearm, alone, in the most dangerous jungle in the world. I will survive what the jungle gives me. Hello my friends, who likes our channel O Reino Selvagem America. My name is Charles Araujo, straight from our Brazilian Amazon jungle. Come with me, discover the wildest, most exuberant jungle in the world. Jaguars, jararacas, electric fish, alligators, and all the dangers of our Amazon jungle. And survivalismo, with many adventures. It's Wild Kingdom America.
Esmaguei suas cabeças debaixo do calcanhar.